We'll guide you through how to connect car Bluetooth to Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and have set up because then you can easily go and know where you're going, as the sound's going to be nice and loud coming through your car speakers. And we can go and fully set this up and guide you through how it's done, and it means you won't need to be looking at your phone screen. So first of all, you don't have to do this right now, but you will need to at some point is actually connect your car Bluetooth to your phone, and then we can go and continue in Google Maps. So what you need to do is come out of Maps and open up your phone settings, find Bluetooth. In Android, you need to go to connections and then Bluetooth, and you can go and see I'm connected here. So what you can do is go and put your car into Bluetooth pairing mode, find that in the settings, and you can then go and connect to it here. You don't need to do that right now, but as I said, you'll need to do it at some point. Now we need to go and continue in Google Maps, so you can come and return to it. Go to the top right of Maps, and there you'll go and find your profile icon, which you need to go and tap on. Go down the list of options and you need to go and find the option for settings, and you can go and tap there and you'll see a list of options, and what you need to do is go to the top to navigation and you can tap there. So it says guidance audio, you need to go and select unmute. Then for guidance volume, if you stroke and go and make it louder, and then what you can do is make sure play voice over Bluetooth is switched on. That's super key. Otherwise it will just go and play through your phone speaker and then it'll be too quiet for you and it won't be fully connected. And what you can also do is go and switch on play as Bluetooth phone call as well. So that is what you need to have turned on. And then what you also need to do is when you're in your car is you may need to go and select the media to be outputted through your speakers. It may be the radio at the moment. So yeah, make sure that you have the media selected. Having this setting on, play as Bluetooth phone call, can override that, which is why we've got it turned on, but that should be it. So now when you go and start your directions, they should now be loud coming through your car and it should be connected. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this.